These giant iron birds are rapidly harvesting barley in Western Australia. The John Deere 9760 STS combine harvester increases harvest productivity by up to 50%. Heading to the barley harvest in England and looking at a monster named Lexion 8900. The only combine harvester in Dorset. Wow! Watch 12 iron chickens gobble up a barley field in Idaho, USA. A majestic scene is emerging. Is this moment enough to surprise you? Please take 3 seconds to click the button to subscribe to the Engine channel. Potatoes lying underground can also make it difficult for modern machines. Iron, artificial teeth dig deep into the potato bed and lift them up. Next, the tubers and plants will be separated. The tubers will go along the conveyor belt to the container, and the plants will be chopped and discharged into the soil. With dry potatoes, these will be the closest harvest images. Unlike the previous process, this method of harvesting eliminates the step of cutting the potato stem and leaves. In some other countries, with small farming areas, they have minimized their harvesting machines to achieve the best harvest. See how this excavator prepares to work. It's like a mutated robot. The 4 drills are deeply embedded in the ground and meet at one point, which means that the stump has been dug up very quickly. Another machine has the same function, but the principle of operation is completely different. As a result, you see the tree is lifted up with the tree easily attached to half of the earth.